Yung ipinagdiriwang po natin ang ika-50 taong anibersaryo ng ating network. Atin naman pong kilalanin ng isa sa mga former news anchors ng PTV na naghatid ng makabuluhang balita at impormasyon sa bawat tahanan sa loob at labas ng bansa.
Kaya kasama po natin live si Attorney Mark Castrodes, former PTV anchor and public affair host, para ibahagi sa atin ang kanyang hashtag, Kwentong PTV. Magandang umaga po, Attorney.
Magandang umaga, Chi and Ryan. Thank you for having me again.
Good morning, Attorney. Attorney, simulan natin agad. Paano ba nagsimula ang karera mo dito dati sa PTV?
Nag-start around 2007. Ako nag-moderate nung unang youth debate show. Yun dahil merong ugong na kwentuhan charter change that time. So nagdesisyon ang Malacanang to have a debate show. So I moderated that. So after that debate show, doon na nagsimula na sa news and then sa public affairs.
Oh, gaano katagal po kayo dito nagstay sa PTV during that time?
In and out since 2007, but talagang regular around 2011 to 2015.
Matagal din. Okay, for you, anong kwento o pangyayari na parang for you is very memorable dito sa PTV?
Oh, so many memorable things during that period. There was the impeachment, there was the selection of the Chief Justice. On a personal note, I learned so many things dito sa PTV4. I grew up in Mindanao. I couldn't speak a lot of Filipino back then.
Wow.
So talagang nahasa yung aking pananagalog to speak Filipino, which has benefited me my entire career. Ito after PTV, that is. So napakaraming memories meeting, interviewing Conrad de Quiros and all the other dignitaries here in the Philippines. So ang dami kong natutunan, ang daming na-meet, at yung mga historical moments during that period were to get a front row seat to those was special.
Medyo relate ako doon kay Attorney kasi sabi niya galing siya sa Mindanao. Maraming mga words, galing din kasi ako ng Leyte. So maraming words na naghahalo-halo, di mo alam kung ganun pa rin yung meaning. Pero Attorney, aside sa pagiging news anchor, naging host ka rin po ng public affairs show. Alin naman doon, Attorney, yung talagang masasabi natin na tumatak para sa'yo?
Yung public affairs show na special forum. Yung special forum ran for quite a while and maraming guests yun eh. At yung transition period from President Gloria to Pinoy and then on to Duterte. So basically 3 presidents. Yung special forum na noon tackled many of the transition concerns during that time. So napakaganda nung opportunity na yun, especially that we handled a large group. It was such a production every time we had it.
Okay, kanina you mentioned na nakatulong tong PTV sa'yo pagdating sa Tagalog, no? Pero aside from that, ano pa ang natutunan nyo dito sa PTV na parang may malaking ambag sa kung sino kayo ngayon?
Isa yon. The language is the first thing. The second thing is confidence. Kasi if you're from the province, galing kang Mindanao, and then you come over to Manila to work here, yung confidence mo kailangan ng konting boost, di ba, Kuya? So, having access to these people in the country, talking to them, makes you feel that you're part of the discourse. Makes you feel that you're nakasama ka doon, na meron kang karapatang marinig sa mga usapin ng bayan. So, napakalaking help nun. And then, it was also here in PTV that I chanced upon a program of government, yung DOST set up. Program siya ng DOST at yun yung nakatulong naman sa business namin. Because through that, na-interview ko lang minsan, and then we applied, and then the business grew because of the assistance of government. So many firsts and so many parang boosts I got from working here.
Parang same talaga kami ni Attorney. Di ba yung dating nakikita mo lang sa TV, tapos biglang ikaw naman, di ba parang nakakaano?
Ako rin nakaka-relate ako dun sa mga sinasabi niya na pag nalaman natin services ng government. And then actually, kaya natin palang i-avail yun. Nakakatuwa na tayo mismo ang nagsasabi kung ano-ano to, no?
Pero Attorney, ito, gaano ba kahalaga bilang former PTV News anchor, gaano kahalaga yung papel, yung impormasyon na naibibigay natin, lalo na sa mga critical na bagay?
Napakaganda ng tanong. Ang discourse kasi ng ating bansa, ang tanong ay sino ang nagkokontrol. Kung puro negatibo ang lumalabas sa ating balita, ang malalaman ng Pilipino ay puro negatibo lamang. Unfortunately for some media outlets, yun yung balita, yung controversial, yung medyo sensational. So kailangan din maipabahagi sa ating mga kababayan yung mga magandang nangyayari. So as a government channel, it's very important for PTV to do its job well. At napakaganda naman yung effort na matulungan ngang maipaabot sa ating mga kababayan yung mga nangyayaring maganda. So yung part na yon, interviewing people who might not be as famous, not as controversial, but need to be heard. So government programs that need to be broadcasted and disseminated, and then also talking to people who need to be heard, even if they're not as famous or as parang pinakakilala during the moment.
Well, panghuli na lamang po, Attorney Mark, mensahe niyo po sa ating network at sa publiko para sa Golden Anniversary ng People's Television.
Para sa ating network, maraming salamat for having me for a few years na bago ang aking buhay dahil sa aking exposure dito sa PTV4. Marami ako natutunan, marami nakilala, marami akong na-develop na professional habits dahil sa pagtatrabaho dito sa PTV4. And to the men and women behind this station, I hope that you continue to do a great job at providing information to our fellow Filipinos. And lastly, for the Filipinos who might be watching this, I hope that you support the government channel and try to also help disseminate good news to the rest of the country, because that's very important to building a great nation.
Very well said.
At ayan na nga, maraming salamat po sa pagbisita sa amin at pagbabahagi ng inyong #KwentongPTV. Isa pong malaking karangalan na marinig ang inyong journey bilang isa sa mga naglingkod para sa bayan.
Thank you.
Muli, nakakapanayan po natin si Attorney Mark Castrodes, former anchor and public affairs host ng People's Television Network.